Hi and welcome to my 2023 fall night routine. This is basically what I'm going to be doing on a average fall night in my life. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and please be sure to subscribe. So let's get right into it right now. In fall in Texas, it is very rainy, it is very cold and gloomy and chill, and it's my favorite time of the year. So I'm gonna head inside after a long day. I'm going to turn on my relaxing mood lights and light a candle so I can set the mood for myself. Most nights I like to start off my night by checking up on my emails and stuff like that right before I get ready to sit down and start working on content that I have to do. I like to just respond to emails, see if there's any brands or anything like that who are trying to reach out and collab in hopes, and then I just like to really get into what I'm doing. This is where I'm doing all of my organizing, my planning for the weeks to come in my nighttime afternoons when I'm sitting at home. Just going through and editing some of the videos that you guys are gonna see coming up, so please stay tuned for those. And after I do that, I'm going to head into the kitchen. Usually I am wearing headphones while I am doing this part of my night routine, and I'm just going to be making some food for the night. Since it is a little autumn night, I decided that I wanted to make a nice little chili, so I am going for a white bean chili. This is a recipe that I actually found on Pinterest, and I was like, this sounds really good, and I'm trying to really work on my skills in the kitchen and everything like that. So here is me attempting to make this white bean chili that spoiler alert, did not come out as white at all. It looks so aesthetically pleasing in the photo, and it did not come out like that at all, which is why there is no pictures of the chili at the end. But it was still a solid 8 out of 10 in taste for me, and it was a really fun experience. But I am going to sit back and let you guys listen to the ambiance of the cooking, and I'll follow you guys up in a little bit. So I'm tuning back in to just come in and tell you guys that I've been working on a lot of routine things for myself. I found that it's made my life easier to just have a routine, and something that I've really been cultivating is like a nighttime routine. I have 2 very different parts of my week, I feel like, depending on what I'm doing. So I'm really working on a night routine for myself that helps me get into the best possible moods and habits for me. And if you are someone who does not have a night routine, I do think that you should start working on a night routine, start working on any kind of routine. It doesn't have to be super intricate, it could literally be whatever, but it's just really cool to have a routine, and it really adds some structure into your life and makes you kind of feel like you're on the right track, like you're doing something. But just little advice from me to you. So wrapping up this, I'm going to head into my room and I'm going to pour myself a glass of wine. Here I was drinking the Emma Rachant Day Riesling. I got this from Trader Joe's. The bottle is really cute. She's a really good tasting wine, we'll say that. After I do that though, I'm going to head into the shower and get my night closed up. I'm going to start by brushing my teeth because good oral care promotes good life. So brush your teeth, wind down, don't forget to floss, girls. After this, I'm going to apply some of this sleepy lotion, and it's one of my faves, I have to say. It really puts me in a nice, relaxing, calming mood to go in my room and turn on some Netflix. Lately, I've been running into a lot of good stories, a lot of good movies, been seeing a lot of good things. But if you guys have any Netflix suggestions for me, please leave them down in the comments below. But that is all, guys. I'm gonna wind my night down, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.